Hi everyone, I just wanted to do my next tutorial for you, which is joining these granny squares together, and I love this method, so I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to join granny squares together. I've found such a good method. Look at that, it's stretchy, it looks really nice. So it is back loops together, but it's done from the wrong side. So I'm going to fold that up, and I've got two granny squares here that I need to join. So we're going to join back loops only, so the loops facing each other there. We're going to turn those right side facing down, and then we start. So I like to start the very top corner. Granny squares are so great for all projects, and it's just so nice finding a way to join them that works so well. So then it's pretty easy to see the back loops only, and then I might turn it this way. I like to just weave them back and forth. I think it's the whip stitch. So there's the back loop. Another trick is I like to finish all my granny squares with the same colour in the last row, so that joining is really easy. There's the back loop. So you can see how easy this is. I just love the way that this sits when you've finished, and that it's stretchy. I don't like it when you're slip stitching them together and then it just doesn't sit as flat. I've joined a lot of granny squares in my time, and I just love, this is my favourite method now. So I thought I'd just share it. So I've tried to find tutorials before, and yeah, I just stumbled upon this myself. Right, so we're still doing back loops, coming to the end. But it sits so nice at the back as well. And then one more here. And then we are at the last one. And there we have it. Then I just go back over here and just do a little double knot just to secure. Then if you turn that over, look how nice that sits. I love how there's a little bit of a frame. Look how stretchy. It's just so neat and tidy. Hope that was helpful. Thanks.